Today we will cover first chapter of Geography Class 6 Earth in the Solar System. Since we live on Earth, we might think we know everything about Earth. Not at all. Actually, there is a lot of we can learn about Earth home planet. Watch this video till the end. We learn fascinating fact about planet Earth. I hope you like this video. It does help you some way to educate your mind, and this video will answer some of very important questions like why do stars appear so small to us even if they are many million times the size of the earth? Why some stars are bright whereas others are dim? What are celestial bodies, their types such as star, planet, satellite, asteroid, meteors, comet, galaxy? Why is Pluto no more a planet? What is Tutatara in sky? What is solar system? Why we say Earth is not a perfect sphere? Why there are 366 days in a leap year? What is need of leap year? How moon change its shape from new moon to full moon? First topic, star. Star is celestial body which are made up hot gases which produce their own heat and light are called star. The sun that we see in the sky is one among the billions of star galaxy called Milky Way or Akash Ganga. The star we see from the earth during the night are other stars of Milky Way. The question is, do stars disappear during daytimes? During the day, the stars are still there in the sky and they do glow, but we just can't see them because very bright light of the sun overpower the faint light we see from the star. It is easier to see the dim starlight with a dark background in the night. When the sun sets in evening and sun's rays become fainter and fainter, we become to notice stars in the sky. Do you know these stars are far bigger than Earth on which we live? Some of them are many million times the size of the Earth, also emit their heat and light. Then why stars appear so small to us? The answer is because they are very far from us. All objects look smaller from the distance, like aeroplane. When we look aeroplane in the sky, it look very smaller. The reason is distance. Celestial body. Why are some stars are bright and other are dim? Reason distance. Distance from us. Next, solar system. The Latin word sol means sun and system refer to its family. In other words, the solar system is family of the sun. It consists of the sun, the 8 planets, satellites, asteroids, meteors and comets. Let us study them in detail. Sun. The sun lays at the center of the solar system. It is the largest member of the solar system. The temperature of the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius, while at the center of the sun it is about 15 million degrees Celsius, being made up extremely hot gas. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth's surface. Next, planet. The word planet is derived from a Greek word planets, meaning wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system. On the basis of their distance from the sun, They are follow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The planets close the sun are called inner planet. The planets far to the sun are called outer planet. All these planets do not have heat, light of their own but reflect the light of the sun. Now next, Earth. We live on planet Earth. On the basis of distance from the sun, it is the third planet in our solar system. Earth is nearly 4.6 billion old, fifth largest in the term of size. It called blue planet because water covers 70% Earth's surface. It is only planet in solar system known to support life because it is neither hot nor cold. It has water, air. Air has life support gases like oxygen. The earth moves in the space in two distinct ways. First, rotation, second, revolution. Our earth has the right amount of the components that are needed to support life. This is the reason why life exists only on earth and made it a unique planet. Moon. Our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. The moon appears in the sky in different shapes. These different shapes of the moon are referred to as phases of the moon. The moon takes 28 days and 8 hours to revolve around the earth. The shape of the moon grows during one half of this period and reduces during the other half. The period when the shape of the moon grows is known as the waxing period. The period in which the shape of the moon reduces is called waning period. The distance of the moon from the earth 3,84,400 km. The moonlight reaches earth 1.3 second. When the side of the moon facing earth does not receive sunlight, we can't see the moon. This is known as the new moon or Amavasya. When the moon looks like a full, it known as full moon or Purnima. Next, asteroids. Asteroids are broken pieces of probably an exploded planet which revolve around the sun in their orbit. Their orbit lays between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Next, comets. Comets are mass of ice, dust, and gases that revolve around the sun. When a comet comes close the sun, it gets heated up and turns into gas. It appears like a bright star with a long tail. These tails may extend to over a million of kilometers. Halley's Comet is the most famous comet. It appears after every 76 years. It will next be seen in the year 2061. I hope you understand this concept. We complete first chapter of geography. Do provide valuable feedback this video. Thank you.